10 Anti-aging superfoods you should eat every day after 40. Once you cross the age of 40, your body starts undergoing gradual changes, metabolism slows, muscle mass decreases, and skin begins to lose elasticity. This natural aging process can be managed and even slowed down with the right nutrition. Anti-aging superfoods are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and healthy fats that help your body fight inflammation, maintain cell health, and keep you looking and feeling young. Incorporating these powerful foods into your daily diet can significantly improve your health, boost your energy, and support graceful aging. 1. Blueberries, tiny but mighty antioxidants. Blueberries are a powerhouse of antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which help combat oxidative stress and reduce inflammation, the primary causes of aging. These small fruits also support brain health and improve memory, which often declines with age. Their high vitamin C content helps with collagen production, promoting firmer and more youthful skin. Adding a handful of blueberries to your breakfast cereal, smoothie, or yogurt can give your body a significant antioxidant boost. 2. Avocados, the healthy fat your skin loves. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats that keep your skin moisturized and help reduce visible signs of aging. They also contain glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that supports liver detoxification and slows down aging. Moreover, avocados are high in potassium and fiber, supporting cardiovascular health and digestion. Enjoy sliced avocado on toast, in salads, or blended into smoothies for a creamy texture and nourishing kick. 3. Spinach, leafy green loaded with nutrients. Spinach is a nutrient-dense green vegetable packed with vitamins C, E, and K, as well as magnesium, iron, and lutein. These nutrients help protect the skin from sun damage, improve eye health, and enhance immune function. Spinach's antioxidants fight cell damage and contribute to overall health. Whether cooked or raw in salads, spinach is a versatile and beneficial daily addition to your diet. 4. Nuts, a crunchy source of longevity. Almonds, walnuts, and Brazil nuts are excellent anti-aging snacks loaded with healthy fats, protein, and antioxidants. They contain vitamin E, which supports skin health by protecting it from oxidative damage. Walnuts also provide omega-3 fatty acids that improve brain function and reduce inflammation. A small handful of mixed nuts each day can keep your heart and mind sharp. 5. Sweet potatoes, skin-friendly carotenoids. Sweet potatoes are a rich source of beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A, essential for skin renewal and immune function. These root vegetables also have anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce signs of aging, including fine lines and dull skin. Bake, mash, or roast sweet potatoes for a delicious and skin-friendly addition to your meals. 6. Green tea, the age-defying elixir. Green tea is loaded with polyphenol and catechins that help fight free radicals and reduce inflammation. It supports skin elasticity and hydration, making it an excellent beverage for maintaining youthful skin. Green tea also promotes heart health, supports metabolism, and helps in weight management. Drinking 1 to 2 cups of green tea daily can provide anti-aging benefits from the inside out. 7. Turmeric, the golden spice of longevity. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It helps fight chronic inflammation, supports joint health, and may reduce the risk of age-related diseases. Turmeric also contributes to glowing skin by reducing redness and blemishes. Add turmeric to your meals, smoothies, or golden milk for a daily anti-aging boost. 8. Broccoli, a cruciferous superfood for youthful vitality. Broccoli is rich in vitamins C and K, fiber, and sulforaphane, a compound that helps detoxify the body and fight inflammation. It supports collagen production for youthful skin and helps protect against cancer and heart disease. Steamed, roasted, or added to salads, broccoli is a must-have daily vegetable for anti-aging support. 9. Dark chocolate, sweet and beneficial. High-quality dark chocolate, at least 70% cocoa, contains flavonoids that improve circulation, reduce inflammation, and protect the skin from UV damage. It also helps boost mood and brain function, making it a feel-good food that supports mental health as you age. Just a small piece of dark chocolate each day can satisfy your sweet tooth and promote longevity. 10. Greek yogurt, protein-packed gut health booster. Greek yogurt is rich in protein and probiotics, which help maintain muscle mass and promote gut health, both of which are crucial as you age. A healthy gut contributes to stronger immunity and better nutrient absorption. Greek yogurt also contains calcium, which supports bone health. Enjoy it with fresh fruit, honey, or a sprinkle of seeds for a well-rounded snack or breakfast.